Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe. In previous class, we have learned about percentage and its different conversions. I hope that you all are understood and practiced well. Now it is the time for checking the answer for homework questions. Students, in today's class, let us continue the problems on percentage. Here, find the following. If the questions are in this way, how to find the value, students? See, first one, 20% of 65. Yeah, 20% of 65 means how much value and how to find out. First, say 20%. Percentage convert to fraction form. 20 divided by 100. Percentage symbol you have to remove. You already learned in the previous class. Percentage to fraction, what we have to convert? By dividing 100. Any number divided by 100. Of means what? Of means into. 20 by 100 into 65. Now simplification. Here 0 0 cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 ones are here 5 ones are 5 3s are 5 ones are 5 5 13s are 65. Answer how much? Is the 13. See, 20% of 65 is 13. For example, here 20% of rupees 65. Some member or anybody can say you that you give out of 65 rupees, you give 20% for your friend. That time what you have to do? You have to calculate in this way and find out the answer. And second one, 16% of 5 by 8. 16% of 5 by 8. The same method and same idea. 16 by percentage symbol you have to remove and take 100 in denominator. Of means into 5 by 8. Here simplification. 8 ones are 8 twos are 5 ones are 5 20s are. Here 2 ones are 2 tens are. Answer 1 by 10. And third one, 18 3 by 4 percentage. This mixed fraction convert to improper fraction. Here 18 fours are. How much, students? 8 fours are 32. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 72 plus 3 by 4 percentage into rupees 560. You simplify this first. 75 by 4. Now you remove this percentage symbol by dividing 100 into rupees 560. Here 75 by 400. 4 into 100 into rupees 560. Here simplify, students. 0 0 cancelled. 4 ones are here 4 ones are 4. 16 4 fours are here 2 fives are 2 sevens are 5 ones are 5 here 5 ones are 5 35 5 fives are. So 15 into, don't forget to write rupees symbol, rupees 7. Multiply here. 5 sevens are 35. 7 ones are 7 plus 3. 10. 105. Rupees 105 is the answer. See why I have taken rupees symbol here in the question. 18 3 by 4 percentage of rupees 560. If anyone say you out of rupees 560, give 18 3 by 4 percentage to your friend. That time what you will do? You have to calculate in this way and you will get the answer rupees 105. This much rupee you have to give for your friend. 1. 62 1 by 2 percentage of 4 kg. Same like third question. First you simplify this. 62 2s are 124 plus 1 125 by 2 percentage. Here divided by 100 into 4 kg. Here 125 divided by 2 comes down. 2 into 100 into 4 kg. Here 4 ones are 4 25s are 25 ones are 25 5s are. So 5 by 2 kg convert to, this is in what? Improper fraction. You must keep the answer in mixed fraction. 2 integer 1 by 2 kg is the answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2 you can write as 2 integer 1 by 2. Students, look at this fifth one. 45% of a number is 216. Find the number. The question is in this way. How you will find the answer, students? Here in such cases, first look at this. What is unknown quantity here? 45% of a number. That number we have to find out. So let the number be x. You know that we will take unknown quantity as a variable. So variable you can, as a variable you can choose any alphabet. Usually we use x. Let the unknown, or you can take let the number be x. Next, according to this condition of the question, we have to frame an equation. Here 45% of a number. 45% of a number. Number means what we have taken? X is equals to 216. Is 216. This is in a left hand side. This is in right hand side. Next it is easy, students. 45%. Percent you have to remove now. What we will do? 45 divided by 100. Of means what? Into. X is equals to 216. Now we need to find x value. Means we have to find the number. So x you have to keep in left hand side. 45 by 100 shift to right hand side. This implies x equals this full what? Fraction. When we convert this fraction to opposite side, what happens? X is equals to this RHS as it is 216. 45 by 100 goes to right hand side by taking the reciprocal. Here 100 by 45. Here 45 by 100 is there. After shifting it becomes 100 by 45. We have to take the reciprocal of this. Here simplification. 5 9s are 45. 5 20s are 100. Here 3 3s are 9. 3 72s are 3 1s are. Here 3 2s are 6. 4s are 24 into 20. How much? 24 2s are 48. X equals 40. 24 20s are how much? 480. So therefore the required number is 480. Students, if the question is in this way, we have to follow these methods. As it is, you have to copy in your notes. Students, here sixth one. If 24.5% of a length is 7 meter, what is the length? In your textbook here they have given 2 meter 45 centimeter given. That question I have changed. Instead of that number I have taken 7 meter. Here if the question is in this way, how to find the length? It is same like a previous question. Here let the unknown quantity, that is length be x. Let the length be x. Then here 24.5% of length is what? X is equals to 7 meter. According to this condition of question, we can write or we can frame an equation in this way. 24.5 divided by percentage symbol you have to remove. So divided by 100 into x is equals to 7 meter. Here point is there, students. So how we can remove this point? By multiplying 10 for both numerator and denominator. Here 245 divided by 1000 into x is equals to 7 meter. Now shift this 245 by 1000 to right hand side. In left hand side x as it is equals in the right hand side 7 meter as it is you have to write. Next you shift this to opposite side. That time you have to take the reciprocal. 1000 divided by 245. Now simplification. From 5s we can easily simplify. Here 5 4s are 20, 45, 5 9s are 25. Here 5 2s are 10, zeros as it is, 2 zeros. Next here 7 1s are 7, here 7 7s are 49. X is equals to 200. This meter as it is you have to take divided by 7. Here answer either in mixed fraction form or decimal form. So we have to divide this. Here 7 2s are 14. Here 6 remaining. Here 60. Here 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. Here 4 left out. So in mixed fraction how to write? 28 integer 4 by 7 meter. What is this x, students? X is the required length. Therefore the required length is 28 integer 4 by 7 meter. Dear students, as you all know, in our day-to-day life, we often use this concept of percentage. Now, let us study the applications of percentage. The first question, the full marks in an examination is 600. If a student scores 78% marks, how much does he score? Here, you have to understand the question clearly. The full marks in an examination, how much? 600. The solution. It is very important for you students. So listen carefully. The total marks. Full marks means what? Total marks. Total marks in an examination. That you no need to write. Total marks equals 600. In that, if a student scores 78% out of 600, if the student scores 78%, how much does he score? Here the given is total marks. Total marks given and the student's percentage scored by the student. Percentage scored by the student. How much? It is 78%. Then if 78% means marks how much? That we have to find. Therefore, the marks scored by the student equals 78% of 600. You must write like this, students. 78% of 600. Here 78 divided by 100 into 600. Here simplify. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancelled. 78 into 6. 8 6 are how much? 8 5 are 40. 8 6 are 48. 4 remaining. 7 5 are 40. Sorry, here 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 4, how much? 46. 468. Therefore, the marks scored by the student, how much? 468. Second question. A man has rupees 500. He spends 85% of the money. How much money is left with him? Here, what we have to write, students, first? Given. What is given in this question? Total money. Here, a man has rupees 500 means that is total money. Total money is rupees 500. In that, how much money he spends? 85% of the money. That is given in percentage. That percentage we have to convert in the form of rupees. So, therefore, spent money. How we can write, students? 85% of the money. Of the money, how much here? 85% of rupees 500. So, 85 divided by 100 into rupees 500. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancelled. Here rupees symbol as it is. 85 5s are. 5 5s are 25. 2 remaining. 8 5s are 40 plus 2. 425. 425 rupees is what? Spent money. Now what we have to find? We have to find the left money with him. Therefore, left money. What we have to do here to find the left money? Your total money minus spent money. Spent money. Here, no space, students. I'll write here. You can continue. There itself. Equals total money how much? Rupees 500 minus spent money rupees 425. Therefore, answer is how much? 500 minus 425 is 75. So, the left money is rupees 75. Students, third question. 3,900 bulbs were used to decorate a building. Of these, 25% were green, 15% were red and the rest were yellow. Find the number of yellow bulbs used. Here, what is given and what to find out, students? Solution. $3,900 is what? It is a total number of bulbs. Total number, in short form we will write like this. Total number of bulbs equals 3,900. In that 25% were green. Means number of green bulbs how much? Therefore, here the number of green bulbs. They have not given directly. They have given in percentage form. We have to convert this percentage to number. How? This 25% of total number of bulbs how much? 3,900. Out of this 3,900, 25% were green bulbs. So, how to convert? 25 by 100 into 3,900. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 25 into 39. Here 9 5s are 45. 4 remaining. 9 2s are 18. Plus 4, 22. 5 3 is a 15, 3 2 is a 6 plus 1 7, 5 7 here 9, 975. What is this, students? This is the number of green bulbs. How much? 975. Likewise, we have to find number of red bulbs. The number of red bulbs. Here in this question, 15% red bulbs. So 15% of total number of bulbs. How much? 3,900. Out of this 3,900, 15% were what? Red bulbs. So 15 by 100 into 3,900. 0 0 0 0 cancelled. Here 15 into 39. 9 5s are 45. 9 1s are 9 plus 4 13. 5 3s are 15. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. Now 5 8 5. Now how much, students? Rupees, sorry, here how much? 585 is what? It is the total number of red bulbs. Now what we have to find? We have to find the number of yellow bulbs. How to find the number of yellow bulbs? Here, before finding the number of yellow bulbs, first we have to take the total number of red bulbs as well as green bulbs. Total number of red and green bulbs. We have to add both. 975 plus 585. Here 5 plus 5, 10, 16, here 15, 1560. If you add these two, you will get 1560. Now we can easily find the number of yellow bulbs. How? Students, total number of bulbs is 3,900. In that, total number of red and green bulbs, how much? 1560. The remaining bulbs are which color, student? That is yellow color. Therefore, here I will rub this first sentence because no space here. Therefore, the number of yellow bulbs is equals to total number of bulbs, how much? 3,900 minus total number of red and green bulbs, that is 1560. Now you have to subtract 3,900 minus 1560. 0. Here 10 minus 6 4. Here 8 minus 5 3. Here 2 minus 1 1. 1340 is what? Number of yellow bulbs. Students, therefore the number of yellow bulbs equals here total number of bulbs minus total number of red and green bulbs. Total number of bulbs how much? 3,900 minus total number of red and green bulbs 1560. Now we have to subtract. Here 0. Here 10 minus 6. You can write here 3,900 minus 1560. 0. 10 minus 4, 6, 4. Here 8 minus 5, 3. Here 3 minus 1, 2. So answer 2,340. What it is? That is the total number of yellow bulbs. Here what I have done, students? First I have written that what is given in the question. The total number of bulbs given and the number of green bulbs directly they did not give. They have given in the form of percentage. That percentage you convert to numbers. 25%. 25 by 100 into total number of bulbs. You will get 975. Next, the number of red bulb. This is also not given directly. It is given in percentage form. You convert this percentage to number form. Next, to find the total number of yellow bulbs, what we must do? We have to subtract from total number of bulbs to total number of red and green bulbs. It is 3900 minus 1560. Answer 2340. I hope you all have understood.